What a squash.
Good morning, family. This
morning,
is
family.
Peggy
This is Peggy.
coming to you with
This is
Catfish, picking the crop from out of the garden. And what do you have today? Tell me what this is.
Well, this is a squash.
Talk louder, please.
This is a squash. It's getting a little too ripe. I done picked what we would call a eggplant.
Oh, that's big.
And,
You know how to cook it? Nobody knows how to
had.
cook.
Never had. So I'm gonna check on the basil over here.
I wonder if I could cut it and
The
put it in the
basil
freezer.
ready to be picked off.
It would be cut. I wonder if I could put it in the freezer.
Cucumber, this is some of the flowers he planted for you.
Oh, pretty
He
flowers.
just planted them for you. We're not gonna eat them.
They're not edible.
So I'm looking for the cucumbers. We got a couple little teeny ones coming. I got 2 or 3 off here yesterday. Just got 4. Got to check these every day. So these 2 here should be ready by, the day is Friday, by Saturday or Sunday. Yep. I'll check this other one.
Can't hear you. You got to talk up.
Can't hear me.
Yeah, your voice is louder than that.
I'm gonna check this one. Nothing on this one.
Nothing on that one.
Daggone squash grow like crazy. So we'll go in here.
I see one right back here on the ground.
I got a.
It's
one
not
over here.
ready.
That's ready. But we got 4 or 5 in here. I'm gonna pick this one. Go back get his cousin. It's over here.
It's one back here on the end.
All right.
Toward me. Come back. That big leaf where your cane is.
Back here.
By the cane.
Let me put this in the bag. Oh, he's a double joiner. He's no good. I like the small ones. They cook up better, taste better. This one, like this, that's good. I got another one here I got to go back and get.
Let me see that. That's pretty.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah, that's a pretty one. Why do some of them have ridges on them and some of them are smooth?
The ridges are the older ones.
Oh.
Should have been picked first 2 days ago.
Oh. So let me see how many you got in the bag from this picking. I can't see inside. Yep.
Oh, quite a few in there. That's it.
No, I can't see because the bag is falling in on this side. Okay.
Okay. I got 1 cucumber in there though. I think I done picked that for you got her here.
So how many more pickings you think the squash is going to produce?
Probably 3.
Wow. And we gave away a bag full in church Sunday.
Oh, I think this. I think that cucumber would be good for you.
Oh, that's a pretty cucumber. Oh, here's a cucumber back here laying on the ground. You didn't see it. It's 2 of them. You walked on them.
Where?
Right here. Here's one right here I see.
Wait a minute. Where?
Right here on the dirt. On the dirt right here.
They're not big
On the
enough.
dirt right here. I know they're not big.
I
But
told
this,
you that.
oh, they got to grow a little bit more. Oh.
They're ones I told you about.
Oh yeah, where the cane is, that's where one is.
Yeah.
See that? You went right there.
Not
That's the
big
one.
enough yet.
Okay. That's a cucumber.
I get that one tomorrow. So I'm gonna get that.
What?
Last squash. That's
Up there?
I think they got 4 and got 1 over here.
trying to pick our produce from the garden. I think grandson has lost interest, so now we got to finish the job.
I think I could dig potatoes up and show you. I get the rake. I check there. Let me get this first.
Show it to me. I can't see it.
I get you one. Ah, man, he got a bunch on this one.
Just trying to pick squash. They grow fast, big, often. Get a lot of picking.
That's why I told him plant 3 squash seeds.
3 squash seeds, and that's all you need?
That's all you need. I don't know. Now, zucchini, not doing nothing. We got 2 of them the other day. Make
There's a lot of squash. You got almost a half of a bag.
That's it on the squash.
Okay, good. Now, when should the sweet potatoes be coming off there? Right here.
October.
October. October?
Yeah.
It takes that long?
Yeah.
They take longer than white potatoes?
Yeah.
Oh,
We can make sweet potato pie.
maybe.
Okay. Hold up, let me get the rake.
I see a watermelon over here.
Yeah.
It's
They
small.
You got like 3 or 4 of it now.
See a watermelon. Right there. There's the watermelon. It's one of those long ones. They're the sweetest ones. Well, catfish is done.
I'm not done.
You're not,
Back.
you're coming back. He's coming back for some more pickings, but this is our garden. Had a pretty good harvest. Somewhere in the midst of the watermelon was our lettuce. And I don't know if it survived at this point. We picked some last week, and now I don't know. So Catfish said that he wants to try to see if he can get any potatoes up. But here's our corn that the squirrels ate up. They ate every kernel.
The squirrel ravished my corn. Every piece of corn.
They ate every kernel of corn. We had about 12 ears of corn. Sunday morning we woke up to this.
But they'll pay for it.
Nothing but the hull.
All right.
and the leaves are left. So we didn't get a chance to taste it, but they were pretty. And we were gonna pick them, but it was too late.
You ready for me to check on it?
Yeah, we're gonna check on the tomatoes. Potatoes. Let me see the, oh, here's the tomatoes right here.
I'm gonna scratch it a little bit.
Let me see. See it through the gate. There's the tomatoes. You can't get it. There's a potato. Oh, I see some right there. Oh, they're not. They're still growing. They're little.
What?
They're right here on the side. They're real small. See, they're small. They're not ready yet.
Yeah, they're not ready.
They're not ready. That's the potatoes. They're not ready, so just leave them alone. Let them keep growing. So maybe in another week or two.
See that tomato? Like it's got something rotten on it.
Yeah, that tomato is rotten. So, this is it. This is our garden. And that's the watermelon bushes, vines, all over the whole garden. So they need to be planted on an end by themselves so they can run wild like they do. They are wild. They're taking over the garden. You think any lettuce is under there?
No, it's done.